Welcome to our channel Health Mantras. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hello friends, so today this video is on weight loss. Actually today I will discuss how we can lose your weight by only just one ingredient, but you have to follow little tips which I give you. First of all, when we talk about weight loss, we think that we have to stop taking food and we have to go on fasting, but believe me guys, this is not going to work. Actually, here is my friend Rutuja. She would like to give her experience on weight loss. She tried so many things to reduce her weight, but there is no that much benefits. So let's see what her opinion is, and then I will give you my opinion how to reduce weight by only one ingredient.
Hello friends, I'm Rutuja. I'm trying to lose my weight since so many days. I try sprouts, eating vegetables, and so much exercise, fasting, only eating salad. Not eating at all, and detox water only. But guys, when I was follow it, I would lose weight little. But it was too difficult, and I could not follow it more than 1 week. Like this, every week I would try new things. When I was stop all diet, then I would gain weight faster. Actually, when I am on diet, I was losing muscle fat, and after stop diet, I was gaining pure fat. So now I have started the remedy which is told by Sakshi, and it is so easy. Buttermilk is also available anywhere, and no any efforts in this remedy. I also have tried this remedy for 1 week, and I lose my weight 2 kg in 1 week. So I advise you try this remedy.
Now you heard her talks, so don't go on random diets. Just follow one thing which I will tell at the end of video. Before that, I would like to give some tips which you have to follow to reduce your weight. So the first tip is you have to stop taking coffee and tea when you wake up in the morning. Actually our stomach is empty whole night, means 8 hours, and immediately if we take tea or coffee in the morning, it will not work. Our body needs some nutritious thing, so just take some almond, peanuts, but don't take tea or coffee in the morning. So here is second tip, that is have something after every 2 hours. Now you people will say that how does this work in weight loss? Actually if we don't have anything, means in morning breakfast we do, then afterwards at 1 o'clock we will do lunch, and at night we will have dinner. Then if in between our stomach is empty, then we will have more food, means in breakfast we will have 2 chapatis, then at 1 o'clock 3 chapati, and night 3 chapati, because our stomach is empty in between, so we are more starving and we are hungry, so we will have this much as a normal person. But if we are having in between little, we will not have chapati, but something like coconut water, milk, like this, something after 2 hours if we are having snacks, then we will eat less at lunch time, dinner time, and breakfast time. In breakfast we will have one, then after 2 hours we will have something, then we will be not so hungry. So have something after every 2 hours. And here is third tip. Actually you should not have food and directly go to sleep. If you are having food and you are going to sleep immediately, then that will grow a tummy. If you want flat stomach, then you should have 2 to 3 hours lunch or dinner before the sleep. At night also have dinner till 7 o'clock, and then you can go to sleep at 10 o'clock. You can try this, just you try it a week, then you will get the result. Your tummy will be flat totally, and your weight, this will also help you to lose your weight. Now here is fourth tip. Actually, we think that in morning we are going to gym, and then 1 to 2 hours we are giving time for gym, and then whole day we are relaxing. But this will not work in weight loss. If we don't go to gym, it is okay, but our body should be active throughout the day. We should not do like this, that we are going to gym 1 to 2 hours, then whole day we can spend sleeping or relaxing. This will not work. Actually, you have to be active whole day. You have to do something na something. You can do use stairs while going to office instead of lift. Like this, you can do anything that will keep your body active. In weight loss, it is important to exercise, but exercise doesn't mean that typical exercise only we have to do for weight loss. If we are interested in some activities like swimming, or we like to play some games like football, anything, then engage yourself in that work, so that it will be a type of exercise only, and your body will remain active, and then you can reduce your weight easily. Remember, exercise is very very important. You have to do anything out of this, so that you can reduce your weight easily. Without exercise, you will be not able to reduce your weight. And the last tip is, you have to eat healthy food. Actually, everyone likes pizza, burger, western food, but it will not help. It consist of maida, and it will bring up with increased fat. So stick to your local food, whatever you eat. If you are Maharashtrian, if you eat chapati at breakfast or paratha, anything, or you are South Indian, you are having idli, then you can stick to it. What is your local food, you just stick to it and have it during your whole life. Don't eat unnecessarily western foods. It's very very important that you should have healthy food, so you can reduce your weight with this weight with these tips. But now I will tell you the secret, what you should do to reduce your weight in 1 month 3 kg. This all the tips you have to follow, it is compulsory. And with that, you should have normal food, whatever you have in breakfast, lunch time, and then at night you should not have food, but you should take only buttermilk. You can take 1 glass, 2 glass, and even in lunch time, after having lunch, you have to take 1 glass buttermilk. Buttermilk, it really helps to reduce your weight faster. In it, I will give guarantee to you, in 1 month, if you are following this, then you can reduce your weight till 3 kg. Actually, if you are having digestive system problems, means you are not able to digest your food properly, then that may lead to weight gain. So in buttermilk, you have to put black berry little bit, and then sendhava lavana little, and you have to add some jeera powder, and you have to mix it well, and you should take that daily. Then your digestive system will be good, and you can digest your food easily, safely. There is no side effect, and this will help you to not gain the weight, but to reduce the weight. And there are so many benefits of buttermilk. I will tell you what are the benefits of buttermilk. Actually friends, buttermilk contains less amount of calories and fats, so we can consume it. And if you think that if in dinner only we will have buttermilk, then we will be hungry, we should have something or something, and our stomach will be not full. But this is not true. After having buttermilk, we will feel our cravings will be over. We will feel that stomach is little bit full, and you have to control little bit to gain something. And so just have buttermilk. You can have 1 glass, 2 glass, it is okay. And if then do you think that you want something, then you can have little bit snacks, but it should be healthy. It should not gain your weight. and you should not have maida at all. So just follow this and tell me your result in comment box. And I hope you will lose your weight in 1 month. Let's see. Thank you friends for watching my video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And friends, this is easily available ingredient. You can get buttermilk daily at home. It is not expensive or you have to waste your time or anything. You will easily get it and you can have it easily. There is no any efforts or something. So just try it. It is the best for weight loss.